Welcome kids. To everyone who's joined in DP Kids today, I would like to warmly welcome you all. I'm gonna teach you a different craft today as well. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a lion. You get scared, no? Don't worry. It's gonna be a beautiful lion, and you can keep it on top of your table or at your house. So with these colorful papers, I'm gonna show you how it's done and what you want. So take a circle like this and another circle that is the half size of that, another circle that is half size of that, and you need another strip like this, right? So let's see. Now we'll keep this to a side like this. Take this strip, fold it like this, and okay, now this part you fold it like this to the line, to that center line that you can see. Fold it like that, and now open it again. The other side, fold it like this, right? This strip that I have taken is about 7 centimeters wide. So you take the ruler and then just like this, keep 3 centimeters from this side, keep another 3 centimeters from the other side, and put a mark, and then you will get a small area of about 1 centimeter. This you do from the edge that you didn't fold. Now mark it, and then you have to cut that piece up to that line that you see. Right, now you bend it like that. Now fold this part, right? You roll it like this, and then you put some gum on it, and yes, you have to get it pasted. You just have to roll it inside and then put some gum on it and then paste it. Now this way, what we are making is the lion's body. Now after you do it like this, you can you'll get the tail part like this. Now the legs, you will have to draw it like this. The paws of the lion, you can first paste it and cut it, or even after pasting you can cut it, doesn't matter. Right, now just like this, we'll draw the fingernails also. Now we'll take the circles. Now the big circle first, and then you take the other circle. Now what you have to do is, on this small circle on the sides, put some gum, and then remember the other smaller one, use the other 2 small circles like this and paste it on top of that small circle. Now then you get something like this. These are the lion's ears, right? Now this part, you put a little bit of gum on top of this, around like this, and then you paste it on the big circle like this, right? Okay, now we get something like this. Now we take and we'll start drawing the lion's eyes, his nose, and then the lion's mouth. Yeah, the nose like this, right? Now we mark the eyes, and now we will put some gum on top of it. Okay, paste it like this, paste this like this, Now this orange color part which is on the back, we just have to cut it like this. The fur, that's the fur around the lion's face. You have seen, right? Now when you say lion, usually it's a scary animal, right? But we are making a very cute lion using different colors. And when you use these colors, you can even use from different sources. You can use newspapers, you can use anything that you throw away to make very wonderful creations. Right, okay. Now let's take the lion's body and we have to connect this to the face. Now this is the body. Right, okay. So this is how you make a cute little lion using colorful papers. Right, now just like this we will come up with different kind of wonderful creations with DP Kids. So until we bring you some more creations on another day, see you for the time being. Bye.